To me, Mid-Autumn Festival is like Christmas to Westerners, and Mooncake is like the turkey.
My first mooncake impression since I'm just a little kid. My family have 5 kids. By that time, all the mooncake is quite big, just like this, and with 2 egg yolks, salty egg yolks inside. So my ambitions for that, how could I get that egg yolk in the hole? But most of the time, I can't.
其實咧，我成年都就喺度諗緊月餅嘅。舊年佢諗咗1年，到今年佢正式推出嚟。
My favorite is the traditional one, white lotus seed paste.
I like the sweet potato purple one because the color is so beautiful, and also it could fit all the vegetarians.
我更加喜歡食今年我嘅首創嘅流心芝麻月餅啦，因為係我首創啊嘛。
After dinner at home, we will eat the mooncake as dessert.
Traditional Chinese tea, perfect match with the mooncake will be pu'er.
大黃月餅凍食都一流嘅。如果屋企有焗爐咧，5分鐘150度火就更加一流。
Made in Hong Kong.
The shape can stand up like very still, and you will find the ingredients should be very balanced, especially with the egg yolks. Otherwise, the egg yolk is too much, then or is not in the middle. So some will have the egg yolk, some cannot. Then they will quite disappointed because where's my egg yolk?
係一個靚嘅流心芝麻月餅咧，表面就係色澤均勻啦。咁一個流心咧就不能太過流，因為流咗咧佢會俾啲餡吸收咗，變咗切出嚟得個窿。如果結咧就切出嚟冇流心嘅效果。